Good morning out there, folks. We're going to do a little comparison and a review, mostly a review of the Hypertough Walmart 3/8 electric ratchet, but I also have a Chinese electric ratchet got off of eBay. Now both of these I've been using for a little while. Really hadn't found much wrong with either one of them. They both work pretty good. They both actually came with 2 batteries and a charger, and they last a pretty good while on each battery, so you can get a pretty good bit done with them. Hypertough is one of Walmart's brands. They have Heart is the other brand, but I think Hypertough seems to be coming along as their main brand, as far as I understand. But now, this I think was a knockoff of a DeWalt or something similar, but it's also been pretty good. I have kind of 2 different little shops that I use, and I keep tools in both of them, and I just was trying to see which one would be better, but I really don't see a whole lot of difference. I hadn't tried to see if the batteries would interchange. I don't really think they will. No, they're different. But I'm trying to put a battery back in with one hand, so hold on just a second. Okay. So, what I thought I would try, I had some lag bolts here, and I was going to try putting these into a piece of wood and just see which does better. I kind of got a place started right here. Alright, let's see. Here's the Hypertough. Let's see how good it does. I would say that works pretty darn good. I hope I got a good video of that. One more time just to be. Got another fresh bolt here. This hole's not started quite as good, so it may not take off quite as fast with this one, but we'll see. That bolt may not be. Okay. Actually, to be fair, this may not be. Hold on. Let me go get another battery for that one. I think I have a weaker battery for this one, and we'll try it again with a better battery. Alright, got a fresh battery for this one. Let's see how it does now. It actually seems to be a little faster than the Hypertough, but the power's about the same, just the Hypertough moves a little slower. Not a lot, just a little. Both of them are really pretty strong, so I can't complain about either one of them. They both do a really good job. There's a little difference in them, not a whole lot. This one has a lockout switch there on it, keeps the trigger from working. That way if you put it in your box, something don't hit it and run the battery down. This one has a lockout trigger right above the trigger, or a lockout switch right above the trigger. But both seem to be really good tools at a good value. I believe the DeWalt knockoff would probably be a little bit cheaper at on eBay or Amazon. But, the Hypertough is a fairly reasonable price. Come with 2 batteries from Walmart, and you can just run and get it if you're in a hurry for it. If you want to wait and save a little money, you can order the other one from eBay or Amazon and have a little bit better deal. But either way, it just goes to show that you don't always have to have the most expensive tools to get a job done. I've done a lot of work on cars and stuff over the years, and I've had all the high dollar Mac and Snap-on, and they're really good tools, don't get me wrong, but these tools most of the time do just as good a job and last nearly as long. I mean, as you can see, I have a Mac toolbox, but this is kind of an old one. I don't buy a lot of that high dollar stuff anymore. I just had no real need for it, because I can buy these cheaper ones and do just as good of a job, and if something tears up, you just go get another one, because you ain't spent hundreds and hundreds of dollars on a tool that shouldn't cost that much, and then you have a hassle of getting the tool replaced. These, they do have a little bit of, or the Hypertough probably has a small warranty, or you could probably buy a warranty for it, but really for the price of them, I don't see the need in worrying about the warranty. You just go get another one, because they last long enough that you've paid for it by the time you have something tear up on it. But comparing these two, they're really close to the same. I'm sure they're both made in China, and they both work really well. This knockoff DeWalt is a little faster in speed, but not enough to really make a difference. Hypertough seems to be a pretty good tool. I have some other Hypertough battery operated tools, and they do pretty well too. I would say either way, these are both really good deals. I can't complain about either one of them, and it just goes to show again, there's no real need to go out and buy the most expensive stuff, especially not now with times the way they are. I mean, like this war, all kind of prices are going to go up, and they're not going to come back down. Government does things, makes the prices go up, and the companies love it because they're not going back down no matter what. They try to act like the price will go up for a little while, but it'll come back down. Well, it's never coming back down. As long as we pay for it and keep buying stuff, they're going to keep going up on price. If we ever just finally say we've had enough and quit buying stuff from these big corporations, then maybe something will happen. But, biggest problem we got is everybody gets on the team of red and blue and Democrat, Republican, and they fight over all of this stuff with each other instead of realizing that it's pretty much them against us. The government, no matter which side it's on, they could care less about us. They're there to make money. So. But anyway, like I said, this is a really good deal. I would like to do some more reviews on other stuff. If I get some different things, I will. I want to continue doing this. I enjoy doing these little videos. Please subscribe and like, comment. If you have something you want me to check out, just let me know and I'll try to do it. Like I said, these both are a good deal, and I really appreciate everybody watching, and we'll see you on the next one.